The Bruno Lab at NC State University is all about developing products. Products in the form of well-trained scientists, in the form of high-quality research, and even in the form of marketable intellectual property.
So our laboratory is an academic laboratory. The primary function of an academic institution is probably train students and provide students with the correct skills that will make them successful in the marketplace. So we have been very successful. Most of the students that pass through our lab over the years, they are now working in pharmaceutical industry. The second aspect of our working here relates with the process development. So we are a laboratory that specializes in process development. We are very interested in all these biological processes that require the generation of data that answer questions related to, is this a biological process viable, economically viable? Is this a process that deserves further attention? And if that's the case, then our record shows that we can, patent and licensing technology to the industry. So the two aspects are, this is a land-grant institution, so we try to help industry with processes, but at the same time, we train our students to be successful in the marketplace.
Working in this lab has taught me a lot, and it's been very, very fun also because we collaborate with each other with other students here, and Dr. Bruno is always here, so you're always having someone to ask questions and people asking you questions too, and that challenges you and that makes you even a better scientist. Working here at Bruno Lab has helped me to become a better scientist in a way that you work with a lot of equipment here and also understanding what is the meaning of a lot of basic biological concepts. So for example, what is the meaning of a Krebs cycle, for example, glycolysis? What is the context of that in the terms of microbial physiology? And then using that knowledge and apply that, for example, in working with bioreactors and how that translates into making something new. And then by being able to interact with my fellow grad students and with Dr. Bruno, then that also pushes you to ask new questions and answer questions and do better science.
Working in this lab was a great experience for me. Dr. Bruno is a wonderful mentor. He's very hands-on, very involved with his students. Aside from that, he creates a very collaborative environment in his lab. And so working with the grad students was great for me too. They gave me a lot of help. It gave me kind of a peek into what it's like to be a grad student, to let you know if that's something you're interested in. Aside from that, it helped me a lot with my academic career. It allowed me to really get hands-on and explore the concepts I was learning in class at a deeper level, which really helped me in my classes, on tests, and just day to day. So that was really exciting. It also helped me a lot after college, making connections while you're in the lab, meeting people, learning skills, things you can put on your resume is really good. It helped me, I think, really launch my career in the pharmaceutical industry, and I've had a lot of success since then, and I owe a lot of that to the work that I did in this lab. So all in all, I think it's a great experience. This is a wonderful lab to be a part of, and as an undergraduate, I got a ton of benefit out of being in this lab.
The Bruno Lab definitely helped me learn the process of the scientific method, and that helps in my career in the sense that, with any project that you establish, you need to go through the same hoops, and that is design a project, an experiment, execute it, and write a report on it. And going through that process with Dr. Bruno was tremendous in helping me in my career. Dr. Bruno helped me in presenting data, scientific data, and I've been able to present confidently to vice presidents and directors at my company. He's helped me, my experience in the Bruno Lab helped me with my scientific techniques, my aseptic techniques, and in general, like how to handle things with my hands, and that helps me out on a daily basis for testing samples and helps me succeed in my current position.
If you're interested in joining the lab or collaborating, please visit Bruno-Barcena.org to learn more about us and the possibilities we can explore together.